Hello. Not a bad weather for a change in England, so well, hello from the outside. Today's interesting question is about something we have discussed with a group of other game developers yesterday. It's about the cost of the innovation, and an answer to this and elaboration of this partially gives an answer why innovation slow down in the big companies, right? And so the cost innovation to production is basically a ratio. It's all rather mathematical than hypothetical. And it basically is built on if you want to introduce something new to your established tech stack in a pipeline, you want to calculate the cost of the check of the hypothesis, cost of development of the technical prototype, and then a lot of people miss that, the cost of integration and the cost of staff training. Now, all of this together being accumulated and estimated should be less than the potential production impact and the cost of the raise of the efficiency in a specific part of your pipeline, or across the board. Sometimes it happens. Good R&D departments basically operate this thinking. Fine, if you have a small company, logically, you will operate the cost of development of the technical prototype with hypothesis being checked rather quickly, and then you can potentially estimate, how it can improve your tool, let's say, your pipeline of tech art, maybe. With the growth of the companies, the cost of integration and training, because of communications being more convoluted and because you need to organize it as a bigger process, grows exponentially, and introducing anything new to larger collectives are much harder than if you would do that in a small company. So a big advice here, try to innovate as much as you can where you're small. Right, and try to achieve the maximum impact on your technological stack, which means have a technological stack, right? Don't ignore that. Don't ignore the CTO function. Optimally, I would say that it makes sense to separate your R&D initiative from the linear production, because it gives more of a clarity in the any estimations, and you can develop a separate tool and then provide proper integration. And you can operate two little bit different mindsets, and the R&D mindset and linear mindset are obviously very different. The first ones are keen to do quick stuff, get results quickly, move quick and dirty, and the second one is basically production lines, when you need to get the very estimated results. I hope it's helpful. Learn to control different segments of your production and treat them differently as they should be. And by building great multi-modular systems, where you can get the most of each segment and make them work in a synergy, make great games. What can I say? Have a good day, guys, and have a good Friday and a nice weekend. Cheers.